Midjourney is currently one of the best AI image generators, but it's only available as a paid version, which not everyone can afford at $10 per month. Today, I'll show you a free alternative to Midjourney. Additionally, at the end, I'll demonstrate a few ways to make money with AI that you can start using right after watching this video. And so today, we will be talking about Leonardo AI. It's a relatively new project that receives frequent updates and is making progress, and it can compete with Midjourney. Firstly, I will show you how to access Leonardo AI. Go to the website leonardo.ai for your convenience. I'll leave the link below the video. Click on the Create an Account button, then enter your name and email and click Count Me In. On this page, click here. Here, you can fill in your information and click Submit. Then click the link. And now, let's go through the standard registration process. You can log in using iCloud, Google Mail, Microsoft, or enter any other email and password. Next, enter a username, choose your interests, and if you're 18 plus, confirm that and click Next. Select your role and click Start using Leonardo. Leonardo AI is an innovative resource that provides extensive capabilities for developing various artificial intelligence applications. The resource is developed and supported by OpenAI, which is one of the leaders in the field of intelligent systems. It works best with faces, animals, and interiors, but is currently not very effective with architecture and landscapes. They often come out noisy or blurry, although it depends on the prompts and the chosen model. The Leonardo AI web app is more convenient to use because you don't need to have Discord, and you can access it directly in your browser. Like many other text-to-image services, it operates on a token system and provides you with 150 tokens for free, which are replenished daily and can be used to generate images. On the main home page, you will find images from other users for your review. For your convenience, these images are categorized as trending, new, and top. There's a wide selection to choose from, and you can browse and select any image you like. One of Leonardo's features is the ability to view prompt details and negative prompt. Thanks to this, if you like an image, you can copy the prompt details, replace the details you need, and generate a new image. Another feature is background removal. To do this, click on the image, select No Background, and you can immediately download it by clicking the Download button. To generate an image, you need to click on AI Image Generation. On the left side of the screen, you will find a list of settings for generating the image. Number of images allows you to select the quantity of images you want to generate. Photo Real can be enabled to make the generated images more realistic. Prompt Magic enhances the speed and accuracy of image generation. Alchemy allows you to toggle between 1.5x and 2x resolution. Resonance adds more details to the generated images, but it's worth noting that it may result in highly detailed but potentially overloaded images. Additionally, using features like resonance may require you to spend additional tokens, which could be a premium feature. Public images means that by default, all the images you generate will be public and viewable by others. If you want to keep your generated images private and exclude them from the public gallery, you may need to purchase a paid subscription, which typically starts at $10 per month. This subscription will give you the option to generate private images. Input dimensions. This setting allows you to choose the size or dimensions of the generated image. The guidance scale controls how closely the generated image aligns with your input prompt. A higher value means the image will closely match your prompt. Tiling is ideal for generating images with repeating textures or backgrounds. Image to image. This feature allows you to upload an image that serves as a reference or example for generating something similar. You can upload your own photo as a reference, and the AI will generate an image based on it. Image prompt. With the image prompt option, you can upload an image and provide additional text prompts to guide the AI in generating an image that aligns with your input. This combination of visual and textual input helps you refine the image generation process. Before generating images, I will show how much other people earn using this method. We go to the website fiverr.com. Hover over Graphics and Design, where you can see various categories of images you can create. But right now, we are interested in AI artists. Here you can see how much people earn using this method. And so, using Leonardo AI, you can generate income of up to $1,000 from one image. Now, let's return to Leonardo AI and generate an image by selecting all the necessary settings. Here, we can enter a prompt. Below, there is the fine-tuned model, and then we select the style we need, as well as the negative prompt. Here, we can choose between image generation or prompt generation. We will input our prompt, in my case, beautiful woman. A woman 18 years old, pink gel lighting, futuristic, oil painting, nice perfect face with soft skin ice perfect face, intricate detail, splash screen, 8K resolution, and also for the negative prompt, we enter what we do not want to see in the image. We select the number of images and click on Generate. We have generated 4 images. We select the best one, and here you can find the buttons: Delete image, Download image, Copy to clipboard, Unzoom image, Remove background, Alchemy Smooth Upscale, Alchemy Crips Upscale. I would like to move away the image, so I click Unzoom Image. On the left, we click on the arrow and select Unzoom Image and download. If the video was helpful, please write about it in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.